Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to be trying out some new crochet here I purchased from Amazon from the business Niseyo. And so I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight bundles of hair to work with. And this is a braid with a wave added to it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get my base out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and be quiet. Check out how I do the base on this particular crochet style and I'll get back to you in just a moment. Oh, and before I go, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so if you like crochet styles, protective styles, natural hair, things like that. Go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back. Okay, so far I've used 2 bundles and 2 braids. That's the entire front of my head. And now I'm going to do this row, the ones on the sides, and then I'll just fill in all through the middle. And if I need any extras in the front, then I will fill in between each braid. So far so good, and I like how flat they are laying. Okay, I'm all done. Pretty simple install once I got a hang of the loop size. That was the biggest thing. But other than that, okay, so final thoughts at this point of the Niseyo hair. No smell, no neck or face irritation from any chemicals. This is in the color 1B. It's full synthetic hair. What I will say is it does say this has curly ends. That's a little bit more than this. You'll have some pieces that barely have a wave or curl to it, which I don't like. I'll have to read whether this is heat safe. I hope it is, because if it is, then I'll just be able to 2-strand twist some of these, or either braid them, dip them, and re-wave it up. So that don't quite like. I might switch out this particular crochet braid for another one with a little bit more wave and put that in the front and this one in the back. Other than that, most of the braids are uniform. The waves for the most part and the curls are mostly uniform. And I did go ahead and put more in this parting area because I am wearing a right side part or when I want to have it down. But this lays flat enough for me to put my hair back in a ponytail. Put the side, do a half up, half down. Do a bun on the top of my head or in the back. There's going to be a lot of styles I can do with this. So let me know down below if you like this hair. Have you ever tried any hair at all from Niseyo Hair? They do sell hair on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box. Would you ever try something like this? And do you want to see more protective styles of all kinds from me, including of course natural hair? And like this video, leave me a comment, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.